Hello student, welcome to my class. We have already completed the quadratic equation. Now just few questions we have to revise or the chapter to be revised. Today I'd like to start or I'd like to revise that quadratic equation from the question which comes at this just concluding year, that means this year 2020's board exam. Here 2-3 questions are coming in objective form, 2 marks question, 4 marks question, all these we are having. First of all, in the objective question, that is question means for 1 mark, we are having the MCQ or that types of question. So here it has come in all the 3 sets. It was just for second set, that is question number 4. It was the equation x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0 has real and distinct root. Real and distinct roots. That means it is the case of nature of the roots. Real and distinct root if, that is multiple choice question. Suppose first choice you are having k is equal to 16. Second choice you are having k is greater than 16. C you are having k is equal to 8. And D you are having k is less than 16. Which one will be the correct option? So it is saying this is the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we compare, then we will have what? Here just we have to check this one. So A means it is actually coming 1, B means minus 8, C is your K. So you have to get first D discriminant, that you know, that will be B square minus 4AC. So ultimately minus 8 square means 64 minus 4AC, minus 4 into 1 into K. So ultimately 4K it is coming. D you got. But what is the condition of this one? Real and distinct root. Real and unequal root. Then the condition for having real and distinct roots, we know for real and distinct root, we have D must be greater than 0 and D equal to 0 means real and equal. So D must be greater than 0. You are getting 64 is greater than 4K. Minus 4k is greater than 0, or that's one if you have taken. So 64 is greater than 4k, or 4 if you divide, so 16 is greater than k or k is less than 16. So see, out of this, k equal to 16, k greater than 16, k equal to 8, k less than 16. So k less than 16. This is the right option. So in this way, we can get this type of questions. So it is for 1 marks we are having. But from the nature of the roots, you may have to find out the value of k also. Same question can be given for 2 marks also. You find the value of k, or for which the value of k, that's roots will be real and distinct like that one. Real and equal like this also it can be. And then in each set, they are having different equations, but simple equation. All you will having to solve the equation for x. Set B you are having question number 24, set 3 main you are having question number 23, set 1 you are having the question number 21. More or less every questions you are having the same type of question. So set B, that is question number 24, we have 8x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Solve for x. It is very simple one. It is the middle term splitting you have to do. Just this type of simple question is having also, that's one. We have already practiced this type of question. The product is coming minus 24. So minus 24 means x plus x minus, their difference will be 2. So minus 6x plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So ultimately if you take common 2x, it will come 4x minus 3 plus 1 if you have taken. So 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So ultimately 4x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So you will get 3 by 4 as well as minus 1 by 2. In this way, all these sets you are having this type of question. So that is also these questions you are having. So 1, 2 marks it is having. Now, most of the year or maximum year will get the question for 4 marks also in the section D group. That means it is having the word problem, more or less you are having. That is very important. In this year also, same questions, each and every sets we are having. There you are having the 2 question, 1 question and that's or also another word problem. 2 word problems are having, that is the optional one, either this or that we are having. So see, in that same question if you see, that set 1 it is 35 number, set 2 it is 39 number, set 3 it is 38 number. Same question and same or also. So first of all, one question we like to do, then we'll do the different one. And that is very important type of question also. That is the time and distance one. जैसे भी सोचो question number 35 in set 1. It is same question you are having set B 39 or set C के लिए 38. Read the question again and again. In a flight of 600 kilometer, it is for all the question paper for CBSE 2020 का question paper 2020. Okay. In a flight of 600 kilometer, the speed of aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. The average speed of the trip was decreased by 200 km per hour, and thus the time of the flight increased by 30 minutes. If the speed decreased, time will be required, more time will be required. So find the average speed of the aircraft. So let the speed or original speed be x kilometer per hour. So distance you are having what? Distance you are having 600. So that time will be taken 600 by x. That's much hour. But if the speed is decreased by 200 km per hour, then the speed become x minus 200. And that time the time taken, same distance 600 by x minus 200. The two times, original time is this one and new time is increased time is that one. Decreased speed, increased time. So their difference is 30 minutes. But here all you are having the hours. So this time is more, that time is less. Speed more, time less. Or less speed, more time. So their difference is 30 minutes. But here you are having all in hour. So it will be 30 by 60. Means 1 by 2. Then if you solve x into x minus 200, so ultimately if you do 600x minus 600x and 600 and 200 minus plus 6 to the 12, then ultimately 40. Because this will be cancelled if you do the multiplication and equal to 12 to the 24, then 40. Then if you have taken this side, 200x minus 24 and 40 is equal to 0. So the product minus 24, 40, if you do this one, 600 and 400, if you multiply then you will get 24, then 40. So x square minus 600x plus 400x minus 24, 40 equal to 0. Ultimately if you solve, x minus 600 and x plus 400 will come. So you are getting x equal to 600 and x equal to minus 400. What is x here? X is the speed of the aircraft. The speed cannot be negative. So this one will not be. So what you will get? X equal to 600. That means what we can say? The required speed is equal to original speed equal to 600 kilometer per hour. In this way, just or I like to discuss the same type of problems. If 9,000 rupees were divided equally among a certain number of persons, Suppose you are having the X percent. Had there been 20 more percent, then each would have got rupees 160 less. So same type of questions. Just or question you are having, same things. Total you are having. How much to be distributed? 9,000 among some percent. So that is the question or. So let the number of percent be, the original number of percent be X. So total 9,000 you have divided among X percent. So each one will get 9,000 by X. But if there had there been 20 more percent, the number of percent, no, the X plus 20, then number of percent becomes X plus 20, so each one will get more percent, each one will get less amount. So their difference is given 160. And if you solve this one, that is given their difference 160 less, means that is 160. And same process if you solve, ultimately after solving this one by cross multiply or like this one, you will get ultimate equation 160x square plus 3200x, and that side cross multiply, if you take this side 1840 equal to 0, or if you divide by 160, all will be cancelled. 20x minus 1125, देखो कि divide करोगे तो after solving this one, means by middle term splitting, 45 plus 45 minus 25 will come, means x minus 25. तो देखो दोनों का difference will come 20, so it will be 0, means x equal to 25 or x equal to minus 45. Same thing here also. What is x? X is the number of percents. So same thing, number of percent cannot be negative, so x should not be minus 45. So number of percents to be 25. So in this way, all these types of question it is having in this one also. We have discussed that one and some more revision we'll do. But today I'll give you one separate sheet for the practice assignment will be given with that one. Thank you.